Top 3 fruits to detox your kidneys every morning and fight CKD naturally. Health Aura. Know it right. Live it light. Imagine your kidneys as the unsung heroes of your body, working day and night to filter out toxins and keep everything running smoothly. But what happens when they start to struggle? With chronic kidney disease and kidney failure on the rise, it's a question more people are asking. Could your everyday habits be quietly harming your kidneys? Sedentary lifestyles, poor diets, and rising rates of diabetes and high blood pressure are all major culprits. As a result, more people are turning to dialysis, a life-changing treatment that's tough on both the patient and the healthcare system. But here's the silver lining. Nature might already offer some powerful support. Certain fruits, loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydrating properties, are gaining attention for their kidney cleansing benefits. So here's a question for you. What if the secret to healthier kidneys is already sitting in your fruit basket? Did you know that some of the most powerful tools for kidney health might be hiding right in your kitchen? In today's video, we're revealing the top 3 fruits that naturally support kidney detox, and the best part? They're as delicious as they are effective. These fruits aren't just snacks, they're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and hydration that help flush out toxins, improve urinary function, and even reduce the risk of kidney stones. Backed by research and real-life success stories, they've shown impressive results in supporting long-term kidney health. Whether you're looking to prevent issues or give your kidneys a gentle cleanse, adding these fruits to your daily routine could make a big difference and help you stay far away from the path of dialysis. Ready to discover these natural kidney boosters? Let's dive in. And if you enjoy content like this, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more tips to keep your body thriving. Your kidneys are silent powerhouses, working around the clock to filter waste and excess fluid from your blood, keeping your body in balance. Nestled just below your rib cage on either side of your spine, these bean-shaped organs do much more than produce urine. They regulate blood pressure, maintain electrolyte and pH balance, and even produce hormones that support bone health and red blood cell production. But despite their importance, kidneys are often taken for granted, until something goes wrong. Conditions like diabetes and high blood pressure are among the leading causes of kidney damage, gradually weakening their ability to filter effectively. Over time, this can lead to serious complications. Other common threats include urinary tract infections, kidney stones, and long-term use of medications that stress the kidneys. Add in smoking, a poor diet, and lack of exercise, and the risks only grow. Protecting your kidneys starts with smart lifestyle choices. Eat well, stay active, and care for these vital organs before problems arise. When it comes to giving your body a natural cleanse, certain fruits are true superstars. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients, these fruits do more than just satisfy your sweet tooth. They actively support detox processes, especially in your kidneys. Some fruits act as natural diuretics, gently boosting urine production to help flush out toxins more effectively. Others are rich in compounds that fight inflammation and protect cells from oxidative damage. Including these fruits in your daily diet can help reduce the buildup of harmful substances in the body and support overall wellness. What you eat plays a big role in how well your body detoxifies. And choosing the right fruits can make a noticeable difference. From improving hydration to supporting your urinary tract, these nutrient-dense foods are a delicious way to care for your health. Let's take a closer look at the top detox-friendly fruits and how they can help you feel your best, naturally. 1. Cranberries, the bright red superfruit for kidney detox. Let's start our journey into natural kidney detox with a fruit that's small, tart, and incredibly powerful: cranberries. These ruby red berries may look simple, but they're bursting with nutrients that make them one of the top fruits for supporting kidney health and overall detoxification. For centuries, cranberries have been used in traditional medicine, but modern science has now caught up, confirming their ability to help the body cleanse itself naturally and efficiently. Cranberries are rich in essential vitamins such as vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes tissue repair. Vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects body cells from damage. and vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting and bone health. In addition, they provide dietary fiber for digestive support and contain unique antioxidant compounds that make them particularly beneficial for the kidneys and urinary tract. One of the most powerful compounds in cranberries is proanthocyanidin. This antioxidant doesn't just neutralize free radicals, it also prevents harmful bacteria, especially E. coli, from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This is extremely important because it helps prevent urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can, over time, lead to serious kidney infections if left untreated. For those prone to frequent UTIs, consuming cranberries regularly can be a natural line of defense. Another standout compound in cranberries is quinic acid, which plays a role in preventing kidney stones. It works by acidifying the urine, which helps dissolve certain types of minerals before they can crystallize into stones. This makes cranberries not just a UTI fighter but also a natural kidney stone deterrent. Cranberries also reduce inflammation and protect the kidneys from oxidative stress, both of which are common causes of kidney damage over time. Multiple studies back up these benefits. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition shows a noticeable drop in UTI risk with regular cranberry consumption, especially in women. Similarly, findings from the Journal of Urology confirm that cranberry juice helps reduce the recurrence of infections, making it a helpful addition to a kidney-friendly lifestyle. Incorporating cranberries into your diet can be simple and delicious. Sprinkle dried cranberries over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Toss fresh cranberries into salads, or bake them into healthy muffins, bars, or scones. For a more refreshing option, blend them into a smoothie. Combine 1 cup of fresh or frozen cranberries with 1 banana, 1 cup of Greek yogurt, 1/2 cup of orange juice, and a teaspoon of honey for a touch of sweetness. Add some ice cubes for a colder drink and blend until smooth. This vibrant smoothie not only tastes great but also gives your kidneys a gentle, effective cleanse. By making cranberries a regular part of your diet, you're choosing a delicious way to protect your kidneys, reduce inflammation, and promote detox naturally. It's a small habit with big health rewards, and your kidneys will thank you for it. 2. Watermelon, the juicy giant of kidney support. Taking the spotlight as our second superstar for kidney detox is watermelon, a fruit that perfectly balances flavor, hydration, and health benefits. With its vibrant red flesh and subtly sweet taste, watermelon is a favorite during hot summer days. But behind that refreshing bite lies a powerhouse of nutrients that directly support kidney function and overall detoxification. What makes watermelon particularly beneficial for your kidneys starts with its extraordinary water content, around 90%. This high hydration level plays a vital role in helping your kidneys filter and eliminate waste through urine. Proper hydration reduces the concentration of harmful substances in the kidneys, helping to prevent the formation of kidney stones and minimizing the strain on these vital organs. Unlike sugary drinks or caffeinated beverages, watermelon hydrates the body naturally and gently encourages urination, acting as a mild diuretic. But the benefits don't stop there. Watermelon is loaded with vitamins A, C, and B6, along with 2 exceptional compounds, lycopene and citrulline. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant responsible for watermelon's red color. It protects cells in the kidneys from oxidative damage, a process that contributes to inflammation and chronic disease. Regular intake of lycopene-rich foods has been linked to lower risks of cardiovascular issues, and since heart and kidney health are closely connected, this is a double win. Citrulline, an amino acid found in watermelon, helps relax blood vessels and promote better circulation. This is especially important because high blood pressure is one of the leading causes of kidney damage. By supporting vascular health and reducing blood pressure, citrulline indirectly helps protect your kidneys from long-term strain. Scientific studies continue to highlight these effects. Research published in the Food and Nutrition Research Journal noted that watermelon consumption improves overall hydration and supports renal function, especially when consumed as part of a balanced diet. Health professionals also frequently recommend watermelon as a natural strategy to reduce the risk of kidney stones and support urinary tract health. The best part? Watermelon is incredibly versatile and easy to include in your meals. Fresh slices make for a perfect snack or dessert, especially on hot days. You can also blend watermelon into smoothies with strawberries, mint, or lime for a cooling, hydrating drink. For something more savory, try a refreshing watermelon salad. Combine 2 cups of cubed watermelon, 1 cup of sliced cucumber, 1/2 cup of crumbled feta cheese, and a handful of chopped mint. In a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil with 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Drizzle it over the salad. Toss gently, and chill before serving. It's sweet, salty, refreshing, and supportive of your kidneys. By making watermelon a regular part of your diet, you're doing more than satisfying your taste buds. You're actively giving your body, especially your kidneys, the hydration, nutrients, and antioxidant support it needs to function at its best. It's a simple, natural way to keep your internal systems clean, healthy, and energized. 3. Lemon, the bright yellow ally for kidney detox and stone prevention. Rounding out our top 3 detoxifying fruits is the zesty and powerful lemon, a small but mighty citrus fruit known for its bold flavor and incredible health benefits. While it's often used to add a tangy twist to food and drinks, the humble lemon is far more than a kitchen staple. It's loaded with vitamin C antioxidants and phytochemicals that support immune function, boost collagen production, fight inflammation, and, most notably, promote kidney health. One of lemon's most impressive contributions to kidney wellness lies in its high citric acid content. Citric acid plays a crucial role in preventing the formation of kidney stones, a common and painful condition. It does so by increasing the level of citrate in the urine, a natural substance that binds with calcium, the primary building block of most kidney stones. By reducing free calcium in the urine, citric acid helps stop crystals from forming and growing into stones. This natural defense makes lemons an excellent daily habit for anyone prone to stones or looking to maintain optimal kidney function. In addition to its stone-preventing powers, lemons also support hydration, another essential factor for kidney health. When you stay well hydrated, your kidneys can effectively flush out toxins, waste products, and excess salts through urine. Lemons, especially when added to water, not only enhance hydration but also bring added detoxifying benefits thanks to their antioxidant properties. The vitamin C in lemon acts as a scavenger of free radicals, protecting kidney tissues from oxidative stress that can lead to long-term damage. The health benefits of lemons for kidneys are well supported by science. Studies published in journals such as the Journal of Urology have shown that individuals who regularly consume lemon juice experience increased urinary citrate levels and a reduced risk of recurrent kidney stones. For this reason, many doctors and nutritionists recommend lemon water as a simple and effective way to support kidney function naturally. Incorporating lemons into your daily life is easy, refreshing, and offers many possibilities. Start your morning with a glass of warm lemon water. Just squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a cup of warm water. This gentle ritual can wake up your digestive system, hydrate your body after a night of rest, and set your kidneys up for a day of healthy detox. You can also use lemon juice as a base for homemade salad dressings, mixing it with olive oil, salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs for a zesty kick that adds both flavor and function to your meals. Or, simply add lemon slices to your tea or infused water for an antioxidant boost throughout the day. For those looking for a more targeted detox drink, try this simple yet effective lemon detox recipe. Combine the juice of 1 fresh lemon, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 teaspoon of honey, if desired, a pinch of cayenne pepper, optional for an extra metabolic push, and 1 cup of warm water. Stir well and drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. This mix supports digestion, promotes detoxification, and gives your kidneys a healthy start to the day. By making lemons a regular part of your wellness routine, you're doing more than adding flavor to your food and drinks. You're embracing a natural, time-tested remedy for kidney support. From preventing stone formation to aiding in daily detox, this vibrant citrus fruit deserves a place in every health-conscious kitchen. Your kidneys will thank you for it. Cranberries, watermelon, and lemons each bring something special to the table when it comes to supporting kidney health. Cranberries offer powerful antioxidants and help fight off infections, especially in the urinary tract. Watermelon, with its high water content, keeps your body well hydrated and gently flushes out toxins, while lemons provide citric acid that plays a key role in preventing kidney stones and enhancing detoxification. Together, these fruits form a natural trio that can make a meaningful difference in protecting and strengthening your kidneys. Incorporating them into your daily meals is both simple and enjoyable. Blend cranberries into smoothies, enjoy fresh watermelon slices on a warm day, or sip on lemon water each morning to jumpstart your detox system. Small, consistent habits like these can add up to big improvements in long-term kidney health. We'd love to hear from you. Have you tried using these fruits as part of your wellness routine? Share your tips, favorite recipes, or personal experiences in the comments below. Your insights could be the inspiration someone else needs. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more practical, natural health tips. See you in the next video.